Marvin and Cristel, the promises that you will be saying this afternoon in this Mass, in the sacrament of marriage, are not meant to be broken.
In your married life, continue to fall in love with God. Yung pamantayan ng inyong pagmamahal sa isa't isa, hindi lang yung pag-ibig mo sa kanya, Marvin. At hindi lang din, Cristel, yung pag-ibig mo sa iyong magiging asawang si Marvin. Simula ngayong araw, ang pamantayan ng pagmamahal nyo sa isa't isa, walang iba kundi si Kristo. Walang iba kundi yung Diyos.
I think our story is written in the language of love and blissful souls. Thank you for loving me for who I am and for staying with me throughout everything.
Hi, asawa ko. How amazing it is na sa 8 bilyong tao sa mundo, ikaw yung taong nasa harapan ko ngayon. Masaya ako na ikaw yung naging sagot sa mga dasal ko noon kay God.
You will have a very beautiful and joyful family because the both of you, Marvin and Cristel, the joy that you have in your married life is a result of your connection to God.
Sa tuwing tinatanong puso ko, saan ba ang hantong laging ikaw ang tinuturo? At sa aking paghakilap ng aking mga pangarap, laging sa'yo pumapatungo.
Thank you, love, for this. Alam ko, hindi lang tayo mag-benefit dito, pero mas marami pa.
Ikaw ang
Sa simula pa lang, lahat ay ginawa mo ng tama. Salamat kasi nasa iyo yung traits na pinagdasal ko. Simula sa pagpaalam sa aking mga magulang na ako ay ligawan, hanggang ngayon na nagpakasal na tayo.
Tano pa mang daan, ilang pintuan may buksan, likod nito iyong pangalan.
Marvin, I'm telling you this afternoon, don't just fall in love with your wife every day. You have to fall in love with your wife because in your wife, there is God. Because in your wife, you can see Jesus.
Pag-ibig ko, ikaw ang aking bayan.
I may not be a perfect guy for you na deserve mo. But please, know that I am trying my best for you. Your love and patience mean everything to me.
Sagot sa aking tanong, ikaw ang kalmado kong hangin, ilaw ko sa dilim.
Same thing also, Cristel. Every day of your life as married couple, fall in love with Marvin. Not just because he is Marvin, not just because he has good qualities that you want in a guy, But you have to fall in love with Him every day because Marvin is the living face of Jesus in your life.
Kurado.
Alam natin na sa journey natin ay hindi naging madali. Maraming challenges tayo na encounter, mga doubts. Pero sabi nga sa kanta, looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, oh baby. We might have took the long way. We're still together, still going strong. You're still the one.
A thousand tomorrows, a lifetime.
So, we're here now, loves, in front of God, saying our vows. And I vow to you that I will always give my support to you, loves, in everything. Basta wag lang sa illegal.
Dream come true, all because of you. I waited for
I vow to stay loyal and committed to you. I promise to show my respect and will love you unconditionally. You are a gift from a God that should be treasured. Mahal kita sobra.
And I am truly blessed to have you in my life. And today, in front of God and everyone we love you.
Some would say that promises are meant to be broken. But not today, but not for forever. Because promises are not meant to be broken, because promises are meant to be fulfilled. In God, with God, and through God. Not just today, not just tomorrow, but for forever.